Hello, welcome to Peter Watson's. My name's Tom, the sales executive here at the garage. Today I'm just going to be taking you around this Ford Focus RS that we currently have in stock. Now this has been Mountune upgraded. It's now also remapped and is pushing out just under 400 brake horsepower. It's got the Recaro Shell seats and full service history. But without further ado, let's take a look. There you go. So if you are interested in this vehicle or indeed any of the others on our website, please do give us a call on 01756 792 911. We look forward to hearing from you soon.